anyị nọ kịta bụ oge dị mkpa anyị chọrọ ịba n'ọmụmụ ihe. Biko achọrọ m dịka ọmụmụ ihe a na-aga ka ị gee ntị gị ọfụma ka iwe nwee ike ịmụta ihe ị kwesịrị ịmụta. Anyị na-anabata onye isi ọgbakọ a, the one and only Nwunye Mazi.
trendybeats.com.
Anyanwụ ụtụtụ biko bịa gbala egwu. Ọ pụrụ iche nwanyị egwu apụta ọgbọ. Mmiri doro edo ga-agba ji awụ arụ. Eletrik nwanyị biko bịa
n'aka. Kpakpando language hub ụmụaka. Kpakpando language hub. Gwanọrọ n'ọdụ. So ugbu a bụ oge ọmụmụ ihe. A ma-eji asụsụ Igbo sound ahụ. I'm going to bathe you in Igbo language. Are you ready, everybody? Biko onye nkuzi ka anyị megodi ihe anyị ga-eme ugbu a bụ anyị ga-ebido na body discomfort. Anyị mecha body discomfort anyị wee banye ngwa dịgasị iche iche and conjugations ha. Okay, na mmegharị ha. Alright, so ọ bụ mụ bụ Nwunye Mazi, onye nkuzi na-akụzi asụsụ Igbo, onye nwe Kpakpando language hub. We are an online language hub. We teach people, I teach, me and my team, we teach people the Igbo language online. Open na si na ana akuzi nwatakịrị asụsụ Igbo online na ọda amụta kpọtagodi ha Kpakpando language hub. We are professionals. I'm a curricularist. I have my degree and my master's in education. So anya ada egwu na Kpakpando language hub. I ma ihe anyị na-eme makwa ka anyị si eme ya. Okay? So ụbọchị taa anyị ga-ebido with body discomfort. Body gịnị? Body gịnị? Body discomfort. So mkpa ahụ. Onye ọbụla sị nụ mkpa ahụ. Mkpa ahụ. Good. So mkpa needs. You know, when we say body discomfort, there are things your body needs, you know, and they kind of make your body discomforted. Now what? So we have so many things. So many things make you uncomfortable. Okay, if you're writing now, you're doing the wrong thing. If you're writing right now, you're doing the wrong thing. It's an interactive class, so we talk, we write. I kutu obere anyedetu. I kutu obere anyemegini detu. I kutu anyedetu. I megini kutu detu. When you put two in any Igbo word, it means just a little. Kutu, detu, nyetu. Okay? So we are going to start with mpa, and it's interactive. Don't sit down, no. I'll be asking, you'll be saying it, and then I'll be telling you how to say it in Igbo language. I believe we all have body. What are the body discomforts we have?
Back pain.
Back pain. So, back. What is back? Azu. Is it only back pain we have? No. Is it only the back that we usually have pain in? Good. So that pain is called mbu. So we start with pain. Right. Pain. Mbu. Pain. Mbu. 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 Idecha yagisi me edechalam. When you're done writing, you say what? You say what? Edechalam. And I want you to say it confidently. Idecha yagisi Nwunye Mazi edechalam. You see, pain is called what? Mbu. Now, when the thing is, when we say mbu, pain is also ache. It's also what? Ache. So you can call it pain, you can call it ache. Okay? Whenever you are talking about ache, which is mbu, it means that that pain is inside your body. It's not on your skin. It is where? Inside your body. And most times it has to do with your bones. Okay? So when you want to say it's paining me, you know when you say my hand is paining me, you say nebum mbu. Say it. Okay. So paining, I'm going to use me because I want you to learn how to say it for yourself first. So paining or aching me is nebum na ebum. Okay? Mbu. Can you see the board? Can you say nebum mbu? Everybody will, you will see Igbo, very simple something. Everybody say nebum mbu. Yes, it means aching me. This shows you're talking about yourself. There's a space between this E and this G. There's a space, okay? Nebum mbu. Onye obula si nebum mbu. I want you to say it out. Nebum mbu. Good. And we have different body parts, yes or no? Yes or no? Ngwa, you will call one body part, and when you call that body part, you add mine. For instance, Chizurum already told us azu, right? Backache. And what is back? Azu. My in Igbo, my is So if you want to say my back, in Igbo, in English you say my back. In Igbo you say back, my. In English you say what? In Igbo, how do you say it? Good. So if back is azu and my is how would you say my back? In Igbo, how would you say my back? Azum. So for everybody part you're going to be saying now, you're going to be, in English you're saying my hand, but in Igbo you're saying hand, my. And what is my in Igbo? And when you want to call the word, you have to call it like one word. Don't say azum, no. Okay? Azum, you call it like one word. Are you ready now? So we are passing on the microphone now. You will call one body part, you will put mine, and then you say what? You say what? You're not saying it very Ihoma. You say what? Nebumumbu. Good. Precious Ngwabido.
Ubu nebumbu. Ubum nebumbu. Ubum nebumbu.
So she said ubum nebumbu. Did you see what we are doing? Did you see what she just did now? Ubum nebum what? Mbu. Now, everybody, you're going to write your own body parts now. Make your own sentence, Chere. I just want you to, before we pass the mic, write it down. Write your own sentence, the body parts, and then you put nebum. Precious has said ubum, nebum, mbu. So now put your own body parts here. If it is hand, put my hand is paining me. If it is leg, you are going to read what you wrote in your notes, and we are not joking. Have you made, if you finish making your own sentence for nebumumbu, you say edechalam. Just pick only one body part and write na-egbu mgbu. Don't put up your hand. If you're done right, you say dechalam. Just one. Pick only one body part. Just one and write na-egbu mgbu. We are talking about pain. Just one body part. One. Write it down. When you're done writing, you say Nwunye Mazi dechalam. Just pick one body part. And you put na-egbu mgbu. Nobody say na dechalam. Precious dechalam kegi. Okay, Chistome dechala. Konyo ozo dechakwara. Just one sentence. Chizurume dechala. Konyo ozo dechara. Akachukwu dechala. Konyo ozo. Ngwa, jisi n'ike. Dube mi dechala. Jisi ike. Jisi ike. Jisi ike. Hey, wonderful baby. Hey, umuma swali Igbo. Kekere kenti konkonti. Kwekere konti pom. Jisi ike, jisi ike. Chabaka dechala. Amarachi. Dechala. Jisi ike, jisi. Only one body part. One. Only one. Just say my eye, my head, my. Remember the pain of mbu is where? Out of the body or inside the body? And it's majorly most times about the what? About the what? About the bone. Sometimes it's not the bone, but then your muscle, your bone. That's mbu. Are we ready now to pass the mic? Can we pass the mic? Amarachi, Idechala, Simba. Amarachi, say Mba. Yeah, Mba means no. Kai chereto Amarachi. Chisimdi Idechala, Jisike. Okay, Bidozie. Precious Bido. Now, when the mic gets to you, you have to speak your Igbo language confidently. Let me tell you, Igbo is your language. Igbo is your what? Let me tell you. If you like, know all the English in this world. If you don't know Igbo, something is wrong. So now that you are learning the Igbo and you are here for Igbo language, say it with all. Always remember, Nwunye Mazi said, speak Igbo with all what? Confidence. Even when you're not sure, just have the confidence. And say it. So when you, I don't want to say, say it with all what? Confidence.
Ukum na-egbu mgbu.
Korona yaka.
Isim na-egbu mgbu.
Confidence.
Isim na-egbu mgbu. Isim na-egbu mgbu. Isim na-egbu mgbu.
Isim na-egbu mgbu.
Obokum na-egbu mgbu.
Say it again.
Obokum. Obonkum na-egbu mgbu.
Yes, Imim, you're correct.
Good
job, boy. But you have to say it like a confident boy. Say Imim.
Imim
Nebum.
na-egbu
Mbu.
mgbu.
Imim nebum. Mbu.
Imi na-egbu mgbu.
A wonderful boy. You speak it.
Na-egbu m mgbu.
My baby, which one do you want to say? So say Anyam. Anyam. Na-egbu mgbu. Na-egbu mgbu. Mgbu. Job, baby. Good job, baby. Yeah.
Afọ m na-egbu m mgbu. Ụkwụ na-egbu m mgbu.
Ire na-egbu mgbu.
Korona onwe aka. Look, let me just tell you. If I say korona onwe aka, don't even Do you know how many children are struggling to say these things you just said? You just said, and I say clap for yourself, and you think it's a joke. Corona wunaka. You see, so anye mele mbu. So anytime you feel any pain, anywhere, inside your what? Your body, ache, pain in your bones, right? The thing is happening inside. You can't really touch, but it's just inside. Body parts, you feel the pain. And it is not the surface, it is inside. It's what? Now, this mbu has a sister. No, you can't hear. Can I have a bottle of water? Because you're bottle, you come miri or kalaman miri. Okay. You did that already. Okay, so this pain has a sister, and it is Ofu. 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 So Mbu has a sister, and it is what? Ofu. Everybody say no. Only say Ofu. 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 So Ofu is hurt. When something hurts you, Ofu hurt. Ofu. Ofu hurts. You see that? And then when you want to say hurting me, you say na fum. Ofu. Na fum. Ofu. I'm trying to write this well. Na fum. Ofu. Okay? Hurting me. Na fum. Ofu. I hope you know these are two words. So hurting me. Na fum. Ofu. Everybody quote. Na fum. Ofu. Onyobola say na fumu. Now, who can tell us how to call a body part and say it's hurting me? Who will try? Just call a body part and now say it's hurting me. Welena kagelu.
Obim na fumu.
Good. Obim na fumu. Weekend.
Anyam afum ufu lafum ufu.
You see, okay? Very simple. Now pick a body part and write it down for nafum ufu. Zoe. Okay? Pick a body part and write nafum ufu. So you now write what it means in English. My leg is hurting me. My hand is hurting me. My eye is hurting me. Now, when you talk about hurting, most times it has to do with the surface of the body, of the skin. Hurting is for what? Just the surface. It means it's on the what? On your skin. Which one is inside the body? Mbu. Which one is outside? Ofu. Inside. Outside. Inside is hurting me is what? No. Inside is hurting me. It's hurting me. Nebu. Outside is hurting me. Na fum ofu. Onye decha ya si Nwunye Mazi edechalam. Jisike, should we go to the next one? Ihuoma idechala. You done writing? When I say idechala, it's Ihuoma idechala. Ede. Jisike. So, who wants to give us now? We have done ufu and mbu, and you can apply it to anybody part. You can do what? So let's go to the next one. Which other body discomfort do we have? Let's go. Give me. Everything. Stomach ache. We've done stomach now. Afom na fumu fune bumumbu. It's gone. Different body discomforts you experience every day, every time. That's maybe injury has to do. Good. You're getting it. Swelling. Swell. Swell is za. Swelling. Nazaza. Can you see it? Swell. Swelling. Nazaza. Now, how do you apply it to body parts? Who can mention one body part and say, this is swelling? Who wants to try? Call one body part and say that body part, this particular body is swelling. Precious.
Nazaza.
Precious. My mouth. Onum nazaza. You see that now? Is Igbo language difficult? I just think that teachers are not teaching it rightly. They make it sometimes look very difficult and boring, isn't it? It's actually a beauty. It's very simple now. Put any body part now and write nazaza. That's just it. Pick a body part and put nazaza. It's very simple. Just pick a body part and put nazaza. Anytime any of your body part is swelling. Yeah. Ikenna has one more body part for us. My boy is doing well. Yes, say it confident. You are getting it. Yes, and what does that mean? Yes, my toes are swelling. Clap for my boy because that was awesome. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? You're not giving me the vibe. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Is Igbo language difficult? No, Nwunye Mazi makes it very easy. Are we done with Nazaza? So we've done 3 body discomfort now. Number 1, Mbu. 2, Ufu. 3, Za. Okay? Can I wipe the board? Unadechala? Ihuoma idechala? Okay, Anna may check him inside, waiting for you. If you want to say Nwunye Mazi, hold on. Say Nwunye Mazi biko chere, I'll hold on. Nwunye Mazi biko chere. Biko is please, chere is hold on. Idechala. Beautiful. So we are going to another body discomfort now. So that why I'm teaching you this thing, so that when you go home, I want you to surprise your parents. And then get ready to surprise your people in the village. Those people that like laughing at you. You know those people? Because they are coming from abroad. They just came back. They start laughing at you. You can't speak Igbo. You just surprise them like this. Ha! They don't know you know. You have Nwunye Mazi on your side. They don't know what is happening. Okay? So another body discomfort. Who wants to tell us another one? Somebody that has not said anything since. Chamaka, Amarachi, what other body discomfort do we have? Do you remember any body discomfort? Something that happens to you. Who wants to try? Idemachi. Somebody should. There are so many. Yeah. Okay. Boys. Chere. Something burns you. Okay, just like. That's not body discomfort. That's an accident now. Bleeding. Bleeding. Even boy. Bleeding. To say bleeding, you say obara na bam. Obara is blood. So obara na bam. Obara na bam. That's for the word bleeding. So if you want to say Onyobula kwonu obara na bam. What is blood in Igbo? Obara. Na bam means it's, coming out of the body. So obara na bam. Now if you want to say my hand is bleeding, you will write obara na bam. Then you will now go and write in my hand. And to say in my hand is naka. So my hand, nakam. Very, very simple. Is it hard? Chisom, is Igbo hard? It's not difficult now. Hand is aka, but you say in my hand. Say I'm bleeding in my hand. Or you want to say my hand is bleeding. In English you say my hand is bleeding. In Igbo you say I am bleeding in my hand. Are you getting me? So you want to say my hand is bleeding. You just simply come and just write this man here. Bring the man first. Okay? Just like saying bleeding is in my hand. That's how we say it in Igbo. Bleeding is in my hand. So you say obara na bam na bam. Obara na bam na aka. Do you see it? The mind is where you have this. So obara na bam, you can say obara na bam na kam. It's correct. So you can say obara na bam na kam. You can say na kam, you can say na aka. Obara na bam no kum. Obara na bam no kum. So everybody pick a body part. Now me, I already wrote aka. Now write obara na bam na. Then you put the body part you want. Very simple. When you are writing mature, you don't open your mouth too. Igbo children don't use to boron. You know what is boron? Don't open, close your mouth so you'll be fine and wonderful and handsome and smart while writing. Yes, that's good. Yes, Obarana. Oh, these Igbo children are making Nwunye Mazi so excited. Oh, who says Igbo is difficult? Yes, just pick a body part. Please remember that the aim of this thing is so that when you go home, you don't have to tell your mommy that you feel anything in English. Okay, and Igbo language makes you have some privacy. You know what I mean? Even when you want to poop, you want to pee, sometimes it's embarrassing to say, I want to poo, you want to fish, I want to poo. You can just say to mommy in Igbo, codedly. She'll just say, oh, Ngwabia. So you have some privacy, right? You have some confidential information. Where did you say Bia? Bia is Bia now. Come now. When you tell your mommy, I want to poop, maybe you're in the shop, right, or in the mall or wherever, and you want to go and poop, you can just say it in Igbo, and the next person beside you, who is not an Igbo person, will not even know what you did. What you tell your mommy? She's not saying Bia. Like, okay, come now. She wants to take you to the restroom. You see what I mean? No. I said I knew what I was saying. So are we done with obara na bam naka and all the parts of the body? Unadechala? Answer me. Unadechala? Again. You can hear. So why did you tell me Biko Chere? That's what I'm asking you. Dechala, you say Edechabem. Say Kwo Edechabem. No, Kwo means say. So Kwo Edechabem. You say Edechabem. But Mosiso means be fast. So we want to go to the next body part. This table, people are not even giving us anybody this. Okay, Sammy gave us one. And more people should say another one. Yes, girl also. Obara na agbam na for good job, but anye kuchala maka obara. So I actually made another one. We want to do another one. Okay, so Somto said abo. Chere anamabia. Abo. You know what is abo? Throwing up. You feel like throwing up. So throw up like it's called abo. Everybody say abo. Say this thing with all the confidence in the world. Abo. And when you feel like throwing up, you say abo na home. Abo na home. Yes, I feel like throwing up. Abo. Nahum. From today, don't ever you say, I want to vomit, I want to throw. Don't ever. As a Nwunye Mazi student, don't disgrace me, please. What will you say? Again? Abo Nahum. Chisimdi was saying Achorom, so you can actually say I want to throw up. If you want to say I want to throw up, you will say Achorom Igbo Abo. Okay? This is different. I want to throw up. You say Achorom Igbo Abo. Do you see that? How do you say I feel like throwing up? Chamaka, if you don't say, it's a language class. Saying it in the Igbo language class is even more important than writing it. I feel like throwing up. How do you say it? Abo na home. Just say, hey, open your shemapo. Then I want to throw up. Achorom. Good. Achorom Igbo Abo. Ngwadenia. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Is Igbo language difficult? It's so easy, you know. So sweet. Onye nkuzi na-elekwa anya ihe anyị nwere 1 hour 30 minutes. Onye nkuzi Adaeze na-elekere ihe anyị nwere 1 hour 30 minutes. Mficha nka. Wame no siso. You see, okay, so which other body discomfort do we have? Okay, Ikenna Wabrani boil, and boys are called etito. Etito. Everybody say etito. Some we say etito, some we say otuto. Otuto. Okay. So let's use otuto. Boils. I'm coming, honey. Don't worry. Nwunye Mazi will write it down for you. I teach Igbo language with love. It gives me joy. So, boy. O-tu-to. O-tu-to. Okay? So when you want to say, I am having boil. I am having boil. You say otuto. Otuto netom. Everybody say it. Otuto netom. But that's one here. Now, if you want to say, I'm having a boil, because I'm having a boil. Let's put a boil here, please. I'm having a boil. Now, if you want to say, I'm having a boil in my hand. In my hand is ogula, nakam. In my ear, nantim. In my leg, nukum or nobam. In my head, nisim. In my knee, ni berem. In my butt, ni kem. In my eyes, nanyam. In my stomach, na foam. In my hand, nakam. In my finger, na pisiakam. Is Igbo language difficult? It's not. But right, etito netom. And if you want to put any body part, just write na, and then you put the body part. And remember to put my. Remember, in English you say my hand. In Igbo you say what? Hand, mine. So the M is always coming after the body part. Right, and make your sentence. So you can say otuto netom, and then you put the body part. Na, and then you put the body part. Are you enjoying your class? Again. If you don't know any spelling, tell me, I'll help you. Afo is A-F-O. Put a dot under. Afo. This is stomach. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying your camp? I'll teach you today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, by the time you are going home. By the time you travel home. And when you go home, if you don't speak, if you stop saying them, you forget them. The best way to learn a language is by practicing it every time. This video will be in YouTube, in Igbo tunes. So after the camp, when you go home, keep going to the YouTube to go and do what? Watch it. Igbo tunes. It's always there. Can you feature? I go. Another body discomfort. Another one. As only can call. Again.
Na-awam. Isim na-awam.
Isim na-awam. Having a headache. Isim. I'm having a headache. I am. So. I am having a headache. Okay, so this one is just simple, right? Isim, right? Na-awam, so simple. No other body gives you. You know, this isim na-awam is just particular to that headache in the head. So we don't have to put any other. We don't substitute any other body parts. Okay? Onyenkuzi, how many more minutes do we have to go? Gale, Jo. Okay. Gale, Onyenkuzi, Gale. Okay. So, what's the next body discomfort? I feel like peeing. Then I'm at church. If we say fatting, into poopa. You have to learn how to say it in Igbo now. Now. So if you feel like peeing, so pee is called mamiri. Pee is called what? So when you feel like peeing, when you feel like peeing, you say na bam, na bam. Na bam. Okay? So if you want to say I feel like peeing, this is feel like peeing. Na bam is feel like peeing. Feel like. So how would you now say I feel like peeing? You just say mamiri and you not say na bam. I feel like peeing. How would you say it in Igbo? Look at what I wrote. Very good. Mamiri. Mamiri. Na bam. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. Ọzọ. Mamiri na bam. Wadetu onu ya. What is P called in Igbo? Again? Mamiri. If you want to say CAP, like look at P. P, like yes, maybe on the floor, you're walking and you, oh my God, oh. Maybe an animal just peed and you don't want to, you are telling somebody, oh look at the P, so the person will not do what? Step on it. Look is less, so how would you say, look at a P, how would you say that? Again? Le mamiri. Le mamiri. I will teach you verbs, don't worry. You will see. You will enjoy your Igbo language. Can you feature one? Okay, come up and get my mirror. When you never go to talk one pot. I talk one pot means I don't want noise. So let us go to the sister of the senior brother of this auntie. Let's do the senior. What is the senior brother? Nsi poop. So poo is called nsi. Onyabula see nsi. How do you say look at a poop? Lekwensi, lensi, lekwensi. Okay? So how would you say I feel like pooing? Looking at what I taught you here. No way. No. Yes? Again? Nsina bam. This thing is so easy. Igbo is so easy. Sweet language. And when you are in the mall or you went to the playing ground or somewhere or you are in a party and you just finish eating so many things. Hey! And your stomach is now big. Whoa! Wait now. Even if the stomach is not looking big like this, but inside your body is looking small. Inside you are feeling what? Bloated already, and you want to go and poop. You don't have to start, saying it in English. And everybody, Zuma here, are you getting me? Everybody start hearing, oh no. You just go to your mommy and you say, nsina bam. You can even cross your leg as if you want to say, I want pizza. And nobody knows what you are saying. Say, nsina bam. The person beside you that is not Igbo, the person here, even if the person is an Igbo and you say nsina bam, the person will just turn and say, oh my goodness. Or when you go to the village and they are looking at you like this one that just came from Lagos, this one just came from US, can't even say anything in Igbo. And you just tell your mommy, in the presence of that your auntie that thinks you don't know how to say, nnam, nsina bam, ha. They will respect you. They will just tell your father, okay. They will tell you, Daddy, nna namaka n'Igbo nwoke. Hey, nwoke na-asụ Igbo, Igbo ezigbo nwoke, ịmala ife. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is their younger brother. What is that one? Fat. Precious enough, fat. Ngwa, ka I make a fat. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? I'm not saying anything. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Yes. Nobody is saying anything. Unu na-enwetekwa onwe unu? Unu na-enwetekwa onwe unu? Zue na Chukwuka. Gawa na ebe ahụ. Buru na onwe unu jiri nwayọ gawa ebe ahụ. Ngwa fart is called ahụrụ. Onye mere hụ? Onye mere hụ? But can we just try some sound of ahụ? Let's try some sound. Can we try sound of ahụrụ? Sound of ahụrụ. Sound of ahụrụ. Sound of. Don't even try. And make sure that the one you are saying is the way your own fat used to sound. Though. Let me start with my own.
Mine is.
And you do. Silent but deadly. Chamuka, you say. You don't used to fart. Is it what I say? You don't know the sound. Okay. Okay, give me Can you go breeze? Okay. Can you go breeze? Hey, you fart somewhere, somebody will not know. Ah, that's my baby. You don't need to fart. Okay. Hey, Sam. All right. So listen. Sam one is the biggest. When somebody tells you, "Mama, you tell the person, go pee." Say ganyo. So only Chizum did not give us any sound. Okay, we will just leave her. She has given me eyes. All right. So when you want to say, "I feel like farting," you feel pain? So fat. I feel like farting. I feel like farting. You say, ahụrụ na akpa m. Well, let's write it down. Detuo ya. When you're done writing, you say the chalam. So what other body discomfort do we experience? You feel sleepy. Sometimes you want to sleep. Right? So if you feel sleepy is so simple. Sleep is aura. Make sure you are right, you know. Sleep is aura. So feeling sleepy. No, now why the noise? You want to discourage me. Precious, are you talking about the sound of fat? Feeling sleepy. You say ura, ura, na tum. Philip, what do you say? Mbajisike, then or say so kaina aga. On when you told me another body discomfort.
Afọ na-asa m.
Afọ na Sam. Hey, Odogwu na epempe. That one is very dangerous. Very dangerous. Because sometimes when you have after means having a diarrhea, right? So a running stomach. When you want to go to the toilet, hundreds. You want to go to the restroom. How many times? Sometimes thousands, millions of times. That girl has a serious experience. Sometimes you don't even want to leave the toilet. Yes or no? You will be like, Mommy, can you just bring my bed? I want to lie down and let my bum be inside the toilet. And sometimes you might be downstairs and you want to go upstairs to poop. And the next thing you do is you are holding your butt, so the poop will not do what? Sometimes the poop will even do what? To just come out, all right? So we are humans and such things happen, you know? So you don't have to feel bad, right? Because you did not intentionally do it. But then when you, Anaya, really? Anaya? You're making a noise in my class? You want me to flog you? Okay. So you are human and you don't have to feel all these things. Everybody does it. Even me, I have running stomach. It happens to everybody. Every single, because sometimes you eat some things and your system is irritated. Okay? So some microorganisms and your system, your body didn't just go down well with one kind of a food. But I hope nobody is having a running stomach here. Good. So because we are very, very careful and we are very hygienic in this camp. So having a running stomach. I am having a running stomach. A running stomach. Some would say, I'm having diarrhea. Because who can tell us how to spell diarrhea? A-R-R-H. You were getting it honestly. Keep going. You sure? Okay. So, to say that one, I'm having diarrhea, you just say Afon Assam. Oh, no, but how do you say I'm having a running stomach or I'm having diarrhea? Afon Assam. Dubem, you sure we have an O here? Okay. So, see, Afon Assam. Afon Assam. So when you see yourself going to the toilet or to the restroom multiple times, Samuel, when I'm talking, you don't talk. Listen and learn. If you see yourself always if you're frequenting the restroom, don't go and say, "Omi, I'm poopuring." It's so simple. Poopuring. I'm poopuring. That's how we say it also. Mommy, I'm poopuring. So you simply say, "Afo na Sam." Ngwa. That's all no ya. Okay. Are we enjoying this Igbo language class? Beautiful. What total discomfort do we experience? I didn't come out with any book. It's what you say I will write. I don't have anything I wrote anywhere. Better say all the body discomfort. Let me tell you how to say it in Igbo. Itchy. Itchy eyes, itchy. So, itching na-akọ ọkọ. Everybody say na-akọ ọkọ. Na-akọ ọkọ. So if you want to say itching me, you say, to say itching me is na-akọ ọkọ. Na-akọ ọkọ. Everybody say na-akọ ọkọ. You are not saying it the way that you make Nwunye Mazi happy. Na-akọ ọkọ. Na-akọ ọkọ. Ngwa, we are going to pass the microphone round now. I will start with wonderful children, and you're going to pick a body part that is always itching you, and you now say na come. Are you getting me? Akam na come ọkọ. Do you get how it's going to be? Ngwa, onye dika bido. Na come ọkọ. Kwuo ya. Say it now. Good. Ngwa.
Ntutu isi m na-akọ m akọ.
Ntutu isi m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ntutu isi m na-akọ m akọ.
Na-akọ m ọkọ.
Na-akọ m ọkọ. Aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Aka m na-akọ m ọkọ, not na-akọ m ọkọ. Chisimdi, aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Somto.
Ntị m na-akọ m akọ.
Ntị m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ntị m na-akọ m ọkọ. Anya m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Good. Anya m na-akọ. Write it and detuo ya. Anya m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Mbọ aka na-akọ m nkọ.
Mbọ aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Mbọ aka na
Mbọ aka m.
mbọ aka m na-akọ m akọ.
Ọkọ. Good. So you put the mbọ aka m. My finger. Sam.
Ike na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ikem.
Ike m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ikem na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ike m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Azụ m na-akọ m ọkọ. Azụ m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Imi na-akọ. Imi na-akọ ọkọ. Na-akọ m ọkọ.
So say it again.
Imi na-akọ. Imi na-akọ ọkọ.
No. Imim na-akọ m ọkọ.
Okay. Imi na-akọ m ọkọ.
Aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Ọbọ aka m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Good. Ọ bụ aka m na-akọ m ọkọ. Jisie ike.
Ụkwụ m na-akọ m ọkọ. 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 Apata na-akọ m ọkọ. Apata m na-akọ m ọkọ. Apata m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Afọ m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Isi m na-akọ m ọkọ.
Onye ọbụla kụọrọ onwe gị aka. Onye nkuzi, how many minutes do we have? Onye nkuzi? Okay, so in the next 30 minutes we are going for a 30 minutes break. Or we should do 15 minutes break. 15. 15 or 30? 15. 30, okay. Wait, we are going to do 30. Do you know why we will do 30? Chere, let's do 30 so that you can go stretch, Go. 15, no, 1 and 5. Okay. What other? But we have to exhaust all the body discomfort. If not, we are not going on break. That's the issue there now. If I say fichawa, I say fichawa. Can't spell it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'm feeling cold because we have been feeling sometimes the AC is even too much in this camp. So when you're feeling cold, you say oyi na tum. Good. So simple. Everybody, how do you say I feel cold? Again. Good. Oyi na tum. But if you are feeling cold in your legs, let's say maybe just your legs, because sometimes you may feel just your legs. Yes, cold feet. How would you say that? Yes. Oyi na tum no bam. Leg is oku opa. Some call it opa. Some call it oku. So, feeling cold. Feeling cold. That is why your AC is called untuoyi. Some call it unjoy, but unjoy is fridge. Feeling cold. Oyi na tum. Oyi na tum. So if you're saying you're feeling hot, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Come on, people can get back hospital. Norodu. Biko norodu. Norodu. Do you know? Oku is light. Oku is heat. Oku is fire. Oku is what? Hot. So you are saying, I'm talking now. I know you are enjoying your Igbo class, but then don't make noise. So feeling hot. Ahum the oku. It's not oku na tumo. Ahum the oku. But what part of your body is usually hot sometimes? Like where do they feel if your temperature is in neck? So how do you want your brain? How do you say my neck is hot? Olum di oku. So ahum di oku is I feel hot in my body. My body is hot. That is ahum di oku. But when you feel cold, what do you say? Jesus. Olum. When you are feeling cold, what do you say? Oyi na tum. How would you say, Mommy, I'm feeling cold? Yes, that's where we want you to get to. Where you can call Mommy and say something. Where you can call Daddy and say something. Where you can call Nwunye Mazi and say what? Something. But there is one important one we have not touched. And onani twisting ankle. Twisting ankle. Okay. There is one that's very important. Look, that one, if that one happens to you, you can start crying. You can start feeling angry. You can decide not to even walk. No, it's not anger issues. Onani brain pain. Onani mental dizziness. I said that when that one starts happening to you, you can start crying. You just start running around the kitchen. You start walking around the kitchen. You start walking around the kitchen. You start walking around the kitchen. Hunger, yes. Mama Nduku, by the time it's time to eat now, the food is not ready. Nwunye Mazi, I'm hungry. Now, from this place, I'm not even joking. Anybody discomfort, you must say it in words. I'm not even joking. Am I wasting my time? I'm not. So when you feel hungry, so easy. Say aguru na gum. I feel hungry. Aguru na gum. Are you writing? If you're not writing, put up your hand. Come. Okay, come le. Ezigbo nwa. Iwoma. Feeling hot. Hey, all of you are wonderful children. Do be happy? Ngwa, dewe. Chesem di nedekwa nke gị, jisi ike. Imela. Imela is thank you. Because we are singing Imela, Imela. Let's sing. Imela. Let's go. Onye na-eme mma. Imela o, imela ọkaka, imela Chineke, imela onye. Kpakpando light up, ụmụaka chake. Let's go. Aguru na agum. I feel hungry. So I feel hungry. I feel hungry. How do you say I feel hungry? Aguru na agum. Hey, Jesus. Me, I don't like this one. No. I don't like this one at all. This one is not good though. Please, me, when I'm hungry, I don't think well again. Honestly. Once I'm hungry, my brain will just be doing when you're hungry, how do you feel?
I'll be angry.
You will be angry. Okay, when you're hungry, how do you feel?
I'll be angry.
Angry.
I'll be angry.
Angry kwa. Everybody can like me, I can't be angry. My brain will be doing
I'll be frustrated.
She'll be frustrated.
I'll be weak.
Yes, you'll be weak because even to talk, self.
I'll be moody.
She'll be moody. She won't smile.
Angry, tired, and weak.
Angry, tired, and weak. Go fugi. Here, Odogu. Baby girl, when you're hungry, how do you feel?
Hot.
Hot. Open the prayer back. How do you feel when you're hungry? You don't know. How do you feel when you're hungry? Say something. You don't know. Yeah. See, the thing is so serious that precious. Iwoma doesn't know. She doesn't have a word to describe how she feels when she's hungry. How do you feel?
I feel weak.
Weak.
My brain will scatter.
His brain will scatter. If the thing scatter, you unscatter it.
I'm going to look like someone that have not eaten when I'm small.
Okay, you look like someone that has not eaten. Okay. Samuel, cooperate. When you are hungry, how do you feel? Just
I feel all emotions around my body except for positive ones.
Okay, you don't have any positive feeling. Okay. When you are hungry, how do you feel?
I feel mad.
Mad. Don't feel mad. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Tired. See, your brother said you will be tired. He said you'll be tired and sad. Okay. Everybody clap for Nwunye Mazi. Are you enjoying your Igbo clap? Again. Hey, is it business? Okay. So, how many more minutes do we have to go? Okay, next one. Next one. Who wants to tell us about body discomfort? When you're thirsty. Okay, ankle twist. Because what is ankle twisting? Don't go to When you feel like taking water, you feel thirsty. Yes. The younger brother of hunger, which is mmiri na-agụ. I feel thirsty. Mmiri na-agụ. Mmiri na-agụ m. Onye ọbụla kwuo ya. Ọzọ. Ọzọ. Mmiri na-agụ m. What other body discomfort do we have? Are we done? Is that all? So if you want to say, I'm having sore throat, if your voice is cracked voice, you say Olu. From where? Okay, you are trying to. Okay, you want to tell us how your voice is when it's cracked. Let's hear. Okay, let's start with Sam.
I don't know how my voice is, so I don't know.
My voice like this one. Who wants to do? Okay. When you have a cracked voice. Help me. Okay. So when you have a cracked voice, I'm having a cracked voice. Make sure you are writing, so that Nwunye Mazi will be happy. It's so simple. You say Olu Gurum. Can we say Olu Gurum? Okay, those watching online, if you have anybody discomfort you want to know in Igbo, put it down in the comment section. If you're watching us online and you want to know any particular body discomfort, put it in the comment section. I will attend to it when I have time. All right, are we done? Any other one? But when you're carrying something and your hand is now weak. No, weak. Mba is not nebum, that's different. Aka nejim is called nejim. Weakening. Nejim. Yes. So if you want to say, my hand is weakening. When you carry heavy things, sometimes, okay, a very honest question. Very honest answer, rather. I'm asking this question to get a very honest answer. You're carrying something very heavy, and your hands start getting weak. What do? You drop it. And you start. Okay? So now this particular. Oh, sorry, honey. I won't write that. I'll just. Okay. This is where we are writing. So, if you're carrying something heavy, you have to do what? You drop it. Now, this particular body discomfort applies to the body parts that carry other body parts or that carry heavy items. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? The body parts that are carrying other body parts. Now, what are your body parts that carry other body parts? Your legs. So, your leg, you will say, Ukum nejim. My leg. Ukum. My legs are weakening. My legs are weakening. Ukum nejim. Ogene ọchị ndị na-amụta asụsụ Igbo. You will pay money for laughing anyhow in this class. So what other body parts carry body parts? I thought this table playing. You want Nwunye Mazi to cry. You want me to cry. It's not fair now. I'm teaching you how to discuss. It's not good now. I'm a human being. Make me happy too. Now. Am I not making you happy while teaching you? Are you feeling bored? Why are you now wanting to start making? Why are you perceiving your armpit? You did like this. Okay, so we have the legs. Which other body parts? Your eye. Okay, what? Your neck carries your what? Good job, honey. So, olum nejim. Okay. But let's go. We're almost done. Let's go. Give me examples. Body parts that carry things or that carry other body parts. Hands. Akam nejim. Which other one? Sometimes they give you punishment. Your knee starts carrying your body. What will you say? Good. Iperem nejim. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Is Igbo language difficult? Don't mind those people that make it look very boring. That's why you should be happy you are in Babando Language Hub. Iperem nejim. So which other one now? Onye jiri ya nwayo. Onye isi ahum nejim. The body carries the head. Is the head heavier than the body? If the head is heavier than the body, I cannot describe. The body will be slim and the head will be big. So unless your body is carrying something, but sometimes your back, when you are carrying your school bag. How many of you have very big school bags here? You can put it again. The baby is again. Hey, 7 subjects per day, none of them will give you homework. Hey! This school, this school have one more. Jesus. Well, let's go. So, Azum nejim. Oh, I hope you know what this one is. Who can tell me what is the meaning of ukum nejim? Hey, ndobere, chisimdi, ihuoma. Ukum nejim, what does it mean? Yes? My leg is weakening. Olum nejim, chisimdi, what does that mean? Olum nejim. Yes, my neck. Write it in English. That's what I want you to do. Akam nejim. What does it mean? Amarachi. Akam nejim. What does it mean? What is aka? Put down your hand, Dossi. So I'm asking somebody. I'm gonna talk to me. Aka. You remember what aka is? It's hand. Yes. So let me write it. So this is hand. Those that don't know the meaning, write it. My hand is weakening. So, iperem nejim. My knee is weak. Onye nkuzi Adaeze, how many more minutes? Onye nkuzi Adaeze. Onye nkuzi. Okay. And on this note, I think we wrap up. Let's have a recap of everything. When the pain is inside the body, what is it called? Now, if you don't answer me, there is these delicious beans. This aromatizing beans. This super sengem beans. This, oh, fantabulous beans. Yes. There's this fantabulous beans that Mama Nuku is cooking in the kitchen. Can you perceive it? In Anusia, if you don't answer me, I will continue teaching. You will not go and eat that beans. So when the pain is inside the body, what is it called? Mbu. I know some of you here say, I don't like this. If you taste grandma's beans. The aroma, thank you, precious. She said the aroma is enough. Have you been? Did you eat that fish sauce this morning? Those who ate it, how did you feel? How was it? It was so nice. Look, if you don't eat fish at home, try to taste it here. If you don't eat beans, try to taste. Did you eat that sauce they made that day? How was that sauce? That oil sauce? It was so nice. You understand? We give you good food. Don't go and you don't eat big fish. So let's recap. When the pain is inside the body, Mbu, good job, Ikenna. On this table, answer questions. When the pain is inside the body, what is it called? Good, Mbu. When the pain is outside on the skin, what's it called? Good job, Ufu. How do you say? An example of saying the inner part of the body is aching you. How would you say that? Like any part of the body is aching. How do you say? I'm asking this table, this baby table. Good job, yeah? Irem nebumumbu. Okay. Ezem nebumumbu. Akam nebumumbu. Yes. On this table. Yes. Obim nebumumbu. Imim nebumumbu. Good. Now when the pain is on the surface, when you feel hungry, agrunagum. I feel cold. How do you say I feel hot? Ahum na chamoko. Yes, let's use that one. Ahum na chamoko. Let's use that one. I feel hot. Yeah, you can still write to another place now. We wrote ahum de oko. You can also ahum na chamoko. Ahum na chamoko. Okay. You can just add that to what we've done. Then when you feel a headache, it's in our when you feel like drinking water, mmiri na agum. Okay. When you feel like pooing, nsi na akpam kwonu ya. When you feel like farting, ahuru na akpam. Now there's one we are about to miss, but I won't let us miss it. When you feel weak, you say ike gwurum. When you feel weak, you say Ike Gurum. Okay. Are you promising Nwunye? Okay, another one. When you're having a cough. Yes, when you're having a cough, you say Ukwara na akwam. Can we say Ukwara na akwam? When you're having a running nose, you're having a running nose. You like what we say kata. The baby. When you're having a running nose. Nemem. Nemem. It's because of Samuel. Imi nemem. Now, when you're always sneezing, do you know what sneeze is called in Igbo? Ujijere, uzizere. Uzizere. Zurum, what did you call it? Katum. Zurum is not katum. So, sneeze. So, sneeze. Sneeze is called uzizere. So, I am sneezing, or I feel like sneezing. Say, uzizere na mam. I feel like sneezing. Uzizere na amam. Onye ọbụla kwuo uzizere na amam. Onye ọbụla kwuo nu uzizere na amam. Onye nwere ajụjụ? Who has a question? Any questions? No, you shouldn't. As an Igbo child, I hope you know that as you're an Igbo child, you're going to be an Igbo father, an Igbo man, an Igbo woman, an Igbo dad. So you honor a goddess. You have to learn how to speak Igbo confidently, okay? Because you are an Igbo person, and you have to teach your children, your friends, your family, and even speak the Igbo language with your family and friends. So you have to speak Igbo with all confidence. Don't mix it with anything. In fact, don't even mix it with English, you know. Like you want to say, you want to say, bring my phone. You say, bring ya my phone. Send ya the message. Sweep the floor. Which other one? More the house. More. It's wrong. Very wrong. I feel irritated. Yes, that's why you are here. And after here, try to join the online classes so you continue. Yes, sometimes we don't have words that don't exist. We have words that don't exist, but you can actually count them because Igbo language has its own words. There are words that exist. You say that you don't know it. They exist, except for this new modern technology. Even at that, they still have words. They call them. So if you keep coming to Igbo class and keep coming, you will learn everything, so that you can have some secrets, some privacy. You can have some confidential conversations with somebody that speaks Igbo with you, and other people will not do what? Or not understand. Like if you come to my house now, ask them. You will not hear me. You don't speak English in my house. It's prohibited. Why you are speaking English in my house for what? Keko say Meg. Yes. And you will start from this small one and take it seriously. For instance, from now, you want to pee, you want to poo. Start. You don't. I know you want to start speaking. So for you to speak like this, you have to be practicing even this little one. Because when you just come, for instance, now look at, you just get home now and say, Biko achọrọ m ọgwụ, because I'll teach you more things. Nne m biko isi na awa m achọrọ m ọgwụ. Nne m biko ụra na-atụ m ka m gaa na mkpụrụ m. Are you not speaking? You start from 1 before you go to 2, before you go to 3, 4. But if you go home and you don't read your notes, you don't watch the YouTube. Okay, so we are done. Onye ọbụla kọrọ onwe n'aka. Good. Now kọrọ Nwunye Mazi aka. Ngwa chere nụnụ Sam jiri nwayọ. Ngwa kọrọ media team aka. Si unu gasị ndị media jisi ike kwuo ya. Ndị onyonyo jisi ike. Okay, have you clapped for me? Ngwa ka ikpe ekpere. Onye ọbụla kwụrụ ọtọ. Ọ bụ, repeat after me. Kwuo n'ihe m kwuru. Ọ bụ n'aha Jizọs. Onye nwe anyị nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Daalụ maka ihe mmụta anyị n'aha Jizọs. Amen. All right, so let's see. Maybe we can take our lunch before we now do the next class.